Introverts. Where can they excel? Introducing 12 essential areas. Without a doubt, introverted individuals are among those who play a unique role in a world filled with diversity and social dynamics. While these traits may sometimes appear ordinary, a closer look reveals that introverts possess unique talents and capabilities that can be highly effective and successful in various aspects of life and work. In this article, we delve into 12 essential domains where introverts can thrive and excel. From artistic and creative pathways to specialized and scientific fields, introverts possess abilities that can contribute to improving their quality of life and achieving success in their endeavors. So, stay with us as we explore these 12 crucial areas more deeply and gain insight into the unique abilities of introverts in each of these domains. 1. Writing. Introverts often possess the ability for deep thinking and creativity in writing, excelling in literary works, poetry, articles, and book writing. 2. Research and reading. The ability to concentrate for extended periods in research and reading helps introverts acquire deeper knowledge. 3. Planning and analysis. Introverts typically perform better in data analysis and precise planning. 4. Visual arts. Skills such as painting, architecture, music, and other visual arts require focus and creativity, qualities often found in introverts. 5. Meditation and tranquility. Proficiency in meditation and relaxation techniques aids introverts in maintaining balance and serenity. 6. Scientific research. Conducting scientific research and data analysis benefits from introverts' concentration and precision. 7. Programming and software development. Introverts tend to excel in solving complex problems and developing sophisticated software. 8. Teaching. The ability to convey knowledge and explain concepts is often easier for introverts. 9. Independent work. Introverts typically thrive in roles that allow them to work alone without the need for social interaction. 10. Research-oriented work. Independent research and projects that require deep thinking and concentration are suitable for introverts. 11. Counseling and advising. Deep listening and profound thinking are assets when providing guidance to others. 12. Creative work. Ideation, design, and creative product development align well with introverts' strengths. Please note that each individual may possess different traits, and introverts may excel differently in various roles. Ultimately, passion and commitment to a particular field are the most significant factors in success.